is our Coca-Cola mini manager, Arlo.
Creamy peach. Hopefully I like that. Uh-oh. It's frozen. Oh, I love you. What do we got here? Hello up there. I've been filming all morning. It's 2:30 now. So I'm just getting the vlog started this Monday. I want to do a little weekend recap. We went and saw the Chicago Dogs game, which was so much fun. We were walking around, we got there early, and they picked Arlo to be the mini manager, which basically means he goes out with the manager of the team and gets to like be out there when they sing the national anthem, and then he got to say, "Let's play ball," and he had so much fun. It was such a good time. If you live in the area, highly recommend that for kids over any of the other like games. I still want to go to a White Sox game, but it was so much freaking fun, and we will definitely go back again. It was so family friendly. We had so much fun. Arlo, are you gonna be a mini manager tonight?
Yeah,
No?
are you gonna say play ball? A little loud? It's gonna be so cool.
Almost.
All right, buddy, your turn.
Okay, ready? Oh, close. Try again. Eye on the ball. Good job, buddy. One more time. Eye on the ball. Oh.
That was a right.
A little bit more. A little bit further, bud. Nice. Close. Woo! Woo! Good job, bud. You can take the hat off if it's bothering you, buddy. Okay, come on.
All right, man. People waiting on you.
Buddy, come on, not too many. We gotta share with other people, okay? Oh, try again. Oh, so close. Oh, another triple. Good job, bud. All right, this is the last one, okay? Oh. One more, try again. Oh, nice. Good job, buddy. Try again. Right for the hole, buddy. Oh, higher.
You got this.
Oh, close, man.
One more. Come on, you got it. There
Whoa!
you go.
Good job, man. You ready?
Game.
You want your glove?
Please stay alert for flying bats and foul balls.
Other hand.
Batting third, first baseman, number 7, Roy Morales.
Yeah.
Batting cleanup, third baseman, number 13, Miguel Gomez. Batting fifth,
Thank you.
shortstop, number 21, right field, number 9, Rudy. Delivering the lineup card today with manager Butch Hobson is our Coca-Cola mini manager, Arlo. Number 14, Jesus Lujano.
Hey, buddy.
Batting second baseman.
So we'll show you that. And then Saturday we went to Rainbow Falls in Elk Grove, which was really cool, like a little water park. And yesterday we kind of laid low. Scott had golf and I kind of picked up around the house. So this week's gonna be chaotic. I've got a lot of videos to pre-film before we leave to go out of town this weekend, and I'm so excited. But let's pick up this mess. This is my office right now. I've got a lot of prep to get done. So let's do that. And yeah, it'll be fun. Let's pick this all up and then make a little snack platter for lunch. I had a big breakfast late, so let's do it. Everything packed up, ready to be returned over there, exchanged, whatever. And I did place a little seafood order just because I was so sick of my dang, let's come down. I was so sick of my Kosas powder because both ends of the top of it are completely broken, so it doesn't close anymore, and I just feel like it's getting gross. I love it, so I repurchased it. I used the Kosas Cloud Set in Feathery. So that's my only complaint, is this part broke and this part broke off. But I got a new one, so hopefully that one lasts a little bit longer. I mean, I did have the other one for a really long time. And then I also decided to try this blush from Makeup by Mario, since I love his little, like, what are they called? Soft sculpting powders. His blushes are like rated like #1 by Allure or whatever. Why did it look dirty? I got it in the color Peachy Creamy Peach. Hopefully I like that. I haven't tried anything yet. And then my little samples. Well, I got this little like lion pose, which I've never tried, unspotted 4% night serum. And then this little Dr. Dart peel thing, which I love Dr. Dart. And then the tinted blush from Laura Mercier. And that's everything. So it's my little Sephora haul. I have so many freaking boxes in my office. Now I have to put away all the stuff that I'm like keeping from my hauls. I have to organize those in the closet. And first I need some snacks. Let's go grab a snack. Uh-oh. It's frozen. Let's go bother him. Let's go Topo Chicos are 16 ounces. Whereas regular, ooh, regular ones are only 12. Ooh. This is Scotchula. Yeah, that's not weird. That's totally normal. Ah! Ow! Slammed my finger in the door with a pinky. Alright, let's take out some shrimp. Scott's gonna cook for dinner tonight. Dude, I slammed my finger so freaking hard in that door. Not thrilled. Not thrilled! Alright, let's put all this away in a second. Alright. Oh, Miss Crinkles. Miss Crinkles. Excuse me. Come through. Excuse me. Coming through. Coming through. Coming through. Beep, 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 beep. Alright. Our neighbor gave these to Arla yesterday. She's like the sweetest lady. Okay, and he put them in my room. He like is quiet in the morning and I'm like, where are you going, sir? So I tried the other, what's this one? The Tous les Moches really much, whatever. Sheer polish from Sally Hansen, and this is what it looks. A lot more pink than the other one, but I really have been loving these sheer nail polishes. So pretty. So I painted those, looking good. Let's see what ones I got. I mean, I know. Let's see. Let's see. You want to see? Did I get an Amazon package too?
Coming out of that.
Huh. What's that one?
A lion.
That's a bumblebee.
Okay, let's open it.
That's a bumblebee. No, mommy has to make them. What's that one? An elephant. And
octopus.
an octopus. It's actually called a jellyfish.
Oh,
You got?
killer.
Do you think maybe you could turn into a ninja? Oh, I love you.
Mommy, don't you play that? Sure.
What do we got here?
That's shrimp and ravioli and pesto.
Tomatoes and corn and pepper and
Stuff.
homemade pesto.
Things.
Mmm. You really outdid yourself,
Enjoy.
Scotch Love.
And
Tomatoes.
there's shrimp and tomatoes. I don't like tomatoes.
You could just try
Those ones
it.
are really yummy.
They're sweet like candy.
No.
Oh. Thanks.